Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat chat messages not showing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that when you try to open Snapchat and try to open the chat on Snapchat and it's not working, it's not showing, then I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all, you have to close this page. Now first of all, you have to open App Store. From here guys, what you need to do, you just simply have to search for the Snapchat app. So let me search here. Just simply have to search for the app. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that if you have updated the app, just simply have to update the Snapchat app and just simply have to close this page and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down. If you're using iPhone, tap on general, also make sure that you have updated your device. Scroll it down, also make sure that your date and time is correct. For me guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on VPN and device management and make sure that you're not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with any VPN, just simply disconnect with it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to tap on iPhone storage. So for me guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on Snapchat and just simply have to offload the app. And after that guys, reinstall the app and just simply have to force restart your device, and after that I guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.